Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Hastings Direct YouDrive. Hastings Direct YouDrive is a car insurance option that includes a telematics device, often called a black box, which tracks your driving habits. It's aimed at younger or new drivers who want to prove they drive safely and potentially lower their premiums. The black box records things like speed, braking, acceleration, and the time of day you drive. You can view your driving score through the app, and safe driving can lead to renewal discounts or lower price in the future. Many users find it helpful for improving their driving awareness and keeping costs down, especially compared to traditional insurance quotes. However, it may not be ideal if you often drive at night or accelerate quickly, as they can negatively affect your score and premiums. Overall, if you're a careful driver and want to save money, your drive policy can be worth it. Just be sure you're comfortable with your driving being monitored regularly. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.